In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk pin on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest has a few built-in features that will allow you to actually do this. So the first thing that I recommend is that you guys switch over to a Pinterest business account if you haven't already. So if you haven't switched yet, all you need to do is you need to press over here where it says settings, then go over here to where it says account management. By the way, you can do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. I recommend using a desktop. And then from here, you're able to convert your account to a business account. And then from there, you should be good to go. All right, so then you will want to go back over to your profile and you want to press on this red button that says create and then select on pin. Now, what's great about Pinterest is that they actually allow you to upload multiple images, and each of the images you send is going to be a different pin. So, okay, I got some images right over here in my desktop, and check this out. If I drag and drop them, notice how it is going to begin generating all of the different pins. So check this out. We're able to go ahead and drag and drop all of them right over here, and we can begin actually configuring them. We can add the title, a description, a link. We could choose a board and look for tag topics as well. And what you could also do is you could press over here where it says publish at a later date. So if you want to schedule it, that is also something that you're able to go ahead and do. So this is definitely pretty useful in my opinion. We also do have more options, whether you want people to comment on it or whether you want to show similar products. I recommend that you guys take a look at this as well. Now, you will have 30 days in order to publish your pins, otherwise they are going to be expired. So you definitely want to get on that, but you're able to go ahead and begin bulk pinning on Pinterest just like so. Thankfully, they do make it relatively simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.